Hey everyone, my name is Daniel, I'm an indie game dev and I'm currently working on a game called Osor. In today's video I will show you how you can draw any simplistic creature or character very easy and fast. So let's begin. First of all, I use Procreate, but any classical drawing software works for this tutorial. Then I use a few downloaded brushes, the Rusty Nib package by True Grit Texture Supply, some watercolor ones I found online, and a few I made myself. All brushes except of the ones I made myself are downloadable with the links down below. The Rusty Nib package costs a bit of money, but the brushes are definitely worth the money. Also, this tutorial isn't just for digital art, but you can also follow most of these steps for pen and paper art as well. Now with no more words, let's actually start creating some art. Step number 1 to create a character or creature is a simple sketch to come up with ideas for the design and handle proportions. You can leave this out, but it usually leads to better results. After you made the sketch, you create the silhouette, or if you make an outlined artwork, you make the line art. In short, you create the shape. The shape is just a pure design. No colors and effects. So I quickly draw my little lizard. Quick tip, if you want to animate your creature or character later on, draw the different body parts you want to move independently on several layers. For outline, you will fill in the colors now and lighting. For my silhouette-like art style here, I do a soft light with my spray brush. When I got in soft lighting, I also take my watercolor brushes to put in some texture. Then I also make shadows with the same techniques used for the light areas. For the eyes I do shadows and light as well. Lastly I add in detail, which can be texture, specular dots, small veins and all stuff like this. As the title of this video says, this can be applied to any creature or character. So have fun with this workflow. And another quick tip for coming up with character ideas, you can draw random shapes and then add a tail, legs, arms or a head to it. You don't need to take the shape as the head, but maybe as the body or the tail. I hope you learned something new in this video or got inspired or whatever. If you like my content, I would highly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit that nice little bell. I hope I see you next time. Cheers.